Hi Phonics friends, and thank you for joining me today. Are you ready to learn a new sound? Let's get started. Today we're going to be learning the oo sound. Now the oo sound is a digraph or special friends because the two letters O together make the oo sound. Now, as well as making the oo sound, when two letter O's are together, they can also make a short sound. Oo, oo. But today, we're going to be focusing on the oo sound. Now, when I do this, it's my turn. And when I do this, I want to hear you joining in. Oo, oo, oo. Well done! Now let's have a look in my magic box and see what we can find that uses the oo sound. Oh, I found a boot. Can you hear the oo sound in boot? Boot. Boot. Well done. Let's see what else we can find that uses the oo sound. Oh, I found a spoon. Can you hear the oo sound in the middle of spoon? Spoon. Spoon. Well done. Let's see what else we can find that uses the oo sound. Oh, I found a moose. Can you hear the oo sound in moose? Moose. Moose. Well done. So moose, spoon and boot all use the oo sound. Now we're going to have a go at writing the oo sound. To write the oo sound, we need to write two letter O's. We start at the top, all the way around, start at the top, all the way around. Now I want you joining in at home, so let's get those magic fingers ready. Give them a big stretch. Give your shoulders a big roll so you're ready for writing. And remember, you can use your other hand as a magic piece of paper to write on. Are we ready? Magic fingers. Start at the top, all the way around. Start at the top, all the way around. Well done. Let's do it one more time. Magic fingers. Start at the top, all the way around. Start at the top, all the way around. Well done. Now we're going to have a go at reading some words that use the oo sound. Our first word today is zoo. My turn first. Z-oo. Zoo. Your turn. Zoo. My turn again. Z-oo. Zoo. Your turn. Zoo. Well done. Our next word today is moon. My turn first. Moon. Your turn. Moon. My turn again. Moon. Your turn. Moon. Excellent. And our last word today is food. My turn first. Food. Your turn. Food. My turn again. Food. Your turn. Food. Well done. I wonder if you can think of your own words that use the oo sound. Well done on working really hard today, and I can't wait to see you again soon. Bye!